First, let's create a new scenario in Make. The scenario will be triggered by a newly confirmed reservation in Planyo and will then send an SMS through a third-party service. In this tutorial we're using services from Mitto SMS. Let's add the Planyo app to the scenario. The items starting with the word watch are webhooks triggered by Planyo whenever given event occurs. Choose Watch Reservations Confirmed, click on Create a Webhook, save it and copy the webhook's URL to the clipboard. Now in the Planyo backend, go to Site Settings, Email and SMS Notifications, and at the bottom of the page click the button Notification Callbacks, Webhooks. In the event called Reservation Confirmed, paste the webhook URL you previously copied to the clipboard. If you have other webhook URLs defined for the same event, simply add a single space character after the existing URL and then paste the URL for your Make webhook. Submit the changes and go back to continue creating the new scenario in Make. Add the Mitto SMS module and select the Send SMS action. In the To field, choose the mobile number sent by Planyo. Compose the text message using Planyo fields such as resource name and reservation ID. Now, enter a test booking in Planyo. Note that the SMS service will only work when the customer enters their mobile phone number. We're using Planyo's test payment gateway here to simulate a credit card payment. Now that the new reservation has been made, we can see in the log the scenario was successful and an SMS was sent to the customer.